to record the video, but I'm going to be deleted all the fucking thing because I did not focusing on in this time. I did not focusing on what content I'm going to be speak. I'm just focusing on the flow state. I think here is a JM road. Excuse me. This road is JM road, no?
Yes, yes.
Where is FC road?
Absolutely, I think on this side. I'm new in this city.
Oh, you are also new. This is the third guy also new in the city. Tell me about this city.
Yeah, it's amazing city. Like I'm doing here education. I'm doing my engineering from
Okay.
Modern College.
Modern College.
Yes.
Where is Modern College?
Here you can go from this way.
Okay, I want to ask you, what problem you are facing in English?
In English, like I am talking to you, I know English, I can understand better, but somewhere when I came to talk to anyone, so it is difficulty. So means no words are coming in mind whenever I am talking to someone.
Okay,
So this is the problem.
so if you want to solve this problem,
Yeah.
actually you need to do the opposite. Means fall down. Like how you learn drive cycle, like falling down.
Falling down.
That's the same way. Easiest way to learn English is to make more mistake and fuck that syndrome. It's like what people think of me as perfect English. No, you need to do the imperfect way. So can you tell me like apart from that, where are you from?
I'm from Parbhani.
Is from Parbhani. So I get a challenge to talk to 100 people today. So I get ton of rejection. Become the biggest loser when it comes to everything. You will become so much fluent at English. So this is my content actually. I'm making content with random people. So can you tell me where I get these people?
So you can, what type of people you are talking about?
One single guy like you.
Okay. So you will get so many people on this road who want to learn English and they are not able, still they are not able to speak English.
Let me ask them and find them. Okay?
Yeah.
So bro, my name is Rukraj. And what's your name?
My name is Sumit.
Sumit, how you find me?
Yeah, very nice. You are
Confidence.
really very, yes.
So
You are
I
very confident guy.
I got a confidence by falling down. So you won't
Okay.
fall down, you will get the same confidence.
Okay.
And I suggest him the Peer Up application. You know Peer Up application?
Yes. I used to use that application.
He's using Peer Up application. See. So the next time you're using Peer Up application, you need to become
But
better.
brother, I'm not consistent. I just use for 4 days until I'll take a break. Like this type of schedule is going on.
Got it,
So
got
how
it.
can I
You need to start speaking with the people. Like I'm doing right now.
Okay.
Start speaking with the people. And focus on the curiosity. What is there? What is there? What is there? You know, what is better food? Talk about food, city, place, people. Act like you are a new person here, na?
Yes.
That is enough. Nothing else. And ask about their interest, hobbies. And the easiest communication hack if I give you. Talk about curiosity, talk about their interest, and talk about their fear, talk about problem solving, how you get the solution over it.
Okay. So can I ask you something?
Yeah, please.
How did you improve in English and you are developed so much confidence?
Oh, this? You talk about this?
Yes.
First is blogging.
Yeah.
Second is getting a challenge and talk to real life people. Third is making more ton of mistakes. Do not focus on the perfect situation, what people think. This is called
So you will have to start what you have just now, right?
yeah. What Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj did? They wait for the perfect army, the perfect situation. What? No.
Maharaj is our ideal.
So the next time think about Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, they start with the 300 Mavlas only, right? So you don't need to have a great grammar or great vocabulary to start something. You just start and then break it. So fall down. Every single time you fall down, imagine about Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. That's it. And nothing can stop you, bro. Like perfectionism is the invisible Aurangzeb trying to
But
tell you.
brother, I have one problem. I'm not able to maintain my consistency. Can you tell me how to
Just watch in the future self, like what you don't want to become. What you don't want to become.
I don't want to become a loser.
That's exactly the reason you need to tell yourself.
Yes.
You know what I tell myself? If I don't do today, then I'm doing the invisible work for Aurangzeb. So I need to do it. Regret, sense of regret gives me everything. So think in a regret way. So I find some other people.
You mean
Yeah,
I have to think in a regret way?
yeah,
If I didn't do this, so I will go to this condition, right?
exactly.
Okay.
You don't go to the gym, you will become like this.
Yeah. Very nice.
Do the prank with yourself. And you need to think like you are a fat person first of all. You are a fat person in English. So if you don't go to the gym, then what happens?
Just,
If you are a fat person.
Yes, yes, yes. My body is getting so much load.
Yeah.
Just like that.
Body getting so much load,
Yeah,
and then heat going to be. I don't get the word. Yeah, this is the thing. You need to think you become as unattractive as you think. Like, you know, I will give you one. Please forward this video right now. But we are going to be talk. Guys, I want to post the next video with the next person. Thank you. It's enough. Thank you, bro. Jai Shivrai. What's your name?
My name is Sumit.
Sumit. My name is Rukraj. This is how you talk to random people. So the thing is, what do you